think the biggest shift has been that now CS enablement has a seat at the table alongside operations. So operations can't do everything. You can't be implementing a CSP, figuring out what are the right playbooks and actually doing the keyboard work, also training the CSMs or support. It's a huge title to hold. If you have an enablement leader who is trained and educated in adult learning, who can put together step-by-step training, who can put together role play scenarios, who can really enable the team to leverage a platform or a strategy, a playbook. Now everyone's talking about AI. That's fantastic, except if no one knows how to use AI, why are we talking about it? If your data's dirty, AI is useless.